Hello ladies and gentlemen, all of you welcome. Traditional street food, Turkish baked potato recipe. The main ingredient is a food consisting of potatoes and ingredients to add. Ingredients to make traditional baked potatoes. 3 potatoes, large potatoes are used. Turkish sujuk. Baked potato ingredients are very diverse, we will use popular ingredients. Street vendors add material on demand. Pickled cucumber. Boiled corn. Pea. Black and green olives. Mozzarella, cheddar cheese. Red pepper and black pepper. Carrot and green pepper. Butter, some olive oil, and salt. Ketchup, mayonnaise. And bakery required to cook potatoes. Soak the potatoes in a little water without washing them first. Wash the potatoes completely soil-free. Wipe the potatoes with a paper towel. In some recipes I saw that they baked potatoes using paper and foil. I want to show you that this application is wrong. I will try to cook one potato using paper and foil. The other 2 potatoes will remain this way. It is convenient to use a small oven for cooking potatoes. It is possible to cook potatoes on charcoal fire in the barbecue oven. An air fryer oven that I use. Cooked large potatoes in 80 minutes. Bake potatoes in 200-degree oven, first cook for 1 hour, check. While the potatoes are baked in the oven, now prepare other ingredients. Peel the carrot and chop it small. Add the chopped carrots to the pot. Add the peas and corn to the pot. Add water and boil the vegetables. Chop green peppers small. Add chopped ingredients in a container. Chop cucumber pickles in a small way. Chop green and black olives in a small way. This is the original Turkish beef sujuk, 100% beef, cow meat. It is not artificial like sausage, so it does not have a consistency like a sponge. It contains aromatic spices and animal oil, very tasty. Stuffed into the dried intestine and can remain intact for 1 year. The materials to be used are chopped prepared. Check the vegetables to be boiled. Carrots, corn and peas are well cooked. Add to the strainer. Check the baked potatoes for 1 hour. Potatoes must have completely softened around. Looks like it needs to cook for another 15 minutes. Add vegetables containing vegetables in a large pan. Add some olive oil. Add paprika and pepper, mix for an average of 5 minutes. Add sujuk in another pan. You can reserve some vegetables for those who want to make a vegan. Sujuk is added into other non-vegan mix. Potatoes were cooked to the desired consistency in 1 hour 15 minutes. Yes, potatoes cooked using foil and paper look like boiled potatoes. The type of cooking we want, baked potato. Add the potatoes in the dish, open them in the middle. If you want, cut the potatoes in half and prepare them for 6 people. Yes, as you can see, the potatoes cooked with foil are problematic. Add a spoonful of butter on hot potatoes. Add salt, you can choose rock salt. Grate with mozzarella. Mix using a fork or spoon. Add the mixture you prepared on the potatoes. As you can see on the right, for those who want vegan Kumpir, add ketchup and mayonnaise and serve before it cools. I prefer hot pepper juice and turnip juice. Besides, Aaron, fruit juice or turnip juice are preferred as beverages. Yes, this is so delicious, I wanted to eat it again while making the video. Kids, teens and mature people, I'm sure everyone will like this recipe. Basically it will be potato, you choose the ingredients you will add, try it. We have come to the end of the video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos and supported me. See you in a new video, goodbye.